all I have. But I think I could just my entire world. Before it's done, I will write my sadness on the walls, and I will draw picture of your face inside my brain. Do I have something to wait for? Be careful, it's dreadful. Do I have something to wait for? Be careful, it's dreadful. Last time when the world was ending, the birds were singing, children were playing, but your face was grey and your lips were tough. And we talked about your loneliness and what you can't forget. Oh, please don't touch. Let me hold my mind for better days, and please don't speak. Words are useless in this room. Do I have something to wait for? Be careful, it's dreadful. Do I have something to wait for? Be careful, it's dreadful. Do I have something to wait for? Be careful, it's dreadful. Do I have something to wait for? Be careful, it's dreadful.
You're dead chuffed with this, aren't you?
I am dead chuffed with this. Can you tell?
Yeah.
It's there's a lot of work gone into getting these here. A lot of it.
Yeah, the glass I'm